KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's draw and color Hello Kitty Rainbow Mermaid. Yellow color. First I'm coloring spoons, colors nose. Pink color. Let's color in eyes, black color. Let's color another eye. Let's color its shell, red color. Orange color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Yellow color. Green color. Sky blue color. Dark pink color. Purple color. Dark blue color. Let's color in pink, light blue color. Light pink color. Light green color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Dark pink color. Orange color. Purple color. Yellow color. Let's color in fish, blue and yellow. Let's color in water drops.
Subscribe us for more videos.